Welcome back to another video from Lord Gizmo. Today we'll be looking at some great machines and crazy trucks from all over the world. Before moving on though, remember to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and comment if you want to see more content like this. The Joy 22 metric ton diesel LHD is a load haul dump featuring electric drives. Compared to other LHDs in its segment, the 22HD promises quicker acceleration, lower fuel consumption, lower heat rejection, and best-in-class breakout and rim pull, all of which lead to the lowest overall running costs of any LHD in its class. These key advantages are made possible by the unique proprietary ability to store and use energy when it is most needed. This energy regeneration offers a variety of benefits that lead to a substantial decrease in overall costs. Next up, we've got a road rail system made by SRS. It is fitted with a hydrostatic drive and can be driven up to 100 km an hour on the forward and reverse tracks and up to 90 km an hour on the lane. This mobility helps a lot in the fast travel to and from the office. The rail system allows only 3 to 5 meters of a level crossing to be moved from the road to the railway. Operators could drive it quickly and safely on and off the track in less than 2 minutes. There is no chance of derailment at crossing points, wing rails, and level crossings. It can also be manually controlled, and there are no specific speed limit requirements for curbs, switches, and level crossings. Undoubtedly, this elegance of engineering is a wonder. The Triomix silage cutter and diet feeder is an economically appealing machine. This self-loading feed mixer permits just a single person and a single tractor to perform the entire loading, mixing, and discharge process. The Triomix features a moving cutting knife and a purpose-designed cutting and loading system that guarantees minimum wastage during cutting, which maintains the structure of the feed. Thanks to its very compact form and excellent view to the rear from the tractor, the robust Triomix is very easy to maneuver. The Triomix is also available with a shear blade, the Triomix S. High Transfire System provides a wide variety of trailer fixed and handheld monitors. Proven and well-tested system parts ensure high performance and a large array of launches. This trailer is unique due to its fully flat aluminum-plated anti-slip frame and the incredibly low overall height of the platform. The monitor is simple to install with a small amount of additional material required to get it up and running. The machine is fitted with two 12-inch hoses with HFS multi-lug couplings and other inlet couplings at choice. The QAY 2000 is regarded as the most powerful telescopic crane in the world. This large-scale crane, cleverly constructed in a compact design, was built to carry 2,000 tons at a height that is difficult to imagine. It is based on 9-axle all-terrain crane technology, with an additional 3-axle auxiliary drive set. Before entering the market, each QAY2000 has to pass extremely difficult tests that assess its loading systems, including structural parts, hydraulics, and braking systems, which have to withstand their tests safe and sound, and demonstrate its industrial supremacy by an enormous capacity. The new Liebherr R950 tunnel crawler excavator has a working weight capacity of 45 tons. Its diesel engine is designed to deliver power of up to 1,204 horsepower. That meets the exhaust gas emissions of Phase 4, which are typical to all Liebherr engines. This new machine adapts to a tunnel height of 5 to 8 meters. It has a shorter tail radius and a height limit for fittings to avoid collisions with the tunnel wall. Breakout powers have been fitted in order to achieve greater efficiency. You may have seen mini trains or buses that are powered by electric wires. These are known as catenary systems. For the maintenance of these catenary systems, the company Hilton Communal GmbH, not associated with Hilton Hotels, has built a new vehicle. The OMF 110T is equipped with versatile features, including a height measuring bracket, cable drum support, and much more. It's capable of running on both the road and rail track. Workers can operate the isolated telescope. In short, it's perfect for various areas of application in the field of overhead line installation and all maintenance needs of catenary systems. Ducker shoulder milling machines allow shoulders to be milled and the milled material to be filled in one process, with a working width of 1.25 meters. The additional augers increase the working distance to 1.7 or 2.1 meters, and make it possible to operate under and behind guardrails. In the same activity, the attached broom cleans the driveway. The SBF 900 is a self-propelled milling unit. Its traveling and milling drive is fully hydraulic. There is a sensor in front of the machine that calculates and determines the optimal working speed. The truck you're now watching is a construction transport system in which the vehicle and crane systems can be remotely controlled. For emergency purposes, its manufacturers have placed several emergency brake buttons outside the truck. The cab can be lifted up to help improve the handling of building materials. Workers do not have to wait for a supporting vehicle for loading or unloading due to its built-in crane. A variety of attachments can be mounted to the head. The truck has hydraulic legs that open while the crane cab is used. This truck is designed to ensure the convenience and safety of construction work on the site. This machine that is sitting on a transport truck is known as the Fosse 1100. It is a dynamic crane equipped with 8 hydraulic extensions, an extra jib with 6 additional attachments, a 30-ton winch, and a new V7 radio remote control. The unit can balance on its hydraulic legs. Its arm can be stretched to 100 meters. This offers immense ability to perform daunting challenges with accuracy. Typically, these cranes are mounted on ships or vehicles, but due to high demand, a detachable variant is now available. Biogas plant operators commonly have to deal with sand particles in the fermenter. Such inorganic sediments enter the system with input materials such as hay, maize, and manure, and are not absorbed by the agitators. The solution to this issue is Holzell's high-performance suction dredger. It can extract sediments from the fermenter and suck solid and liquid substances with a high throughput, even over long distances. A crane truck is used to lift 2 small wheel loaders to the fermenter. They force the sediments beyond the scope of the suction dredger to improve their efficiency. The collected substance is transported with a sludge-proof trough. Hey guys, thanks for watching and we really hope that you enjoyed the video. If you have any thoughts about what you just watched or have ideas for future videos, comment them down below. If you enjoyed what you just saw, feel free to like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell too. Thanks for watching and we hope to catch you next time.